your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff, certified most accurate by WeatherRate.
What a fantastic finally Friday. A little warmer than it was yesterday, and you'll see here on this time lapse that a few isolated storms popped up just off to the west. Remember that, because that's kind of a foreshadow of some things to come for the weekend. Also, this is looking west, and those clouds are moving from the northwest to the southeast. So you know that's a northwest flow weather pattern. More on that in just a bit, but how about the mold spores kind of flowing into your nose, unfortunately? Look at that. You got high levels of mold spores thanks to all the rain. This is the very latest pollen counts updated today as we got it from Hedberg Allergy and Asthma Center. Tree and ragweed is in the low category. Trees on the board, by the way, and then grass and weed pollen in that medium category. We'll post that on social media so you know what's causing you to sneeze. Here's a look at the temperatures right now in Bentonville. 86, so it's getting a little warmer, and oh no, there's the dew points back into the mid-60s. We had it dry for several days. It'll be milder overnight tonight. There's a look at that cloud cover from Pea Ridge, and this is looking off to the west again. And look at the River Valley back into the lower 90s. Yesterday, lower to middle 80s. Now we're starting to warm up. And look at the dew points. There's those yellow shaded colors again showing up. That means dew points in the lower 70s. That's going to be moving eastward as we get that southwesterly flow in the low levels. Now, there are heat advisories just to the west of us, excessive heat warnings, too, over the Tulsa area. But why aren't they included in northwest Arkansas? Because there's a chance that thunderstorms develop during the late morning into the afternoon tomorrow, which will bring extra cloud cover, which will block out the sunshine and maybe not cause it to warm up as much. So there's a chance that we remain a little cooler than eastern Oklahoma and southwest Missouri. So let me take you through what we can expect. There's, first of all, a stationary front that's just off to our southwest. That's slowly lifting northeast. Now, you can see the spin in the upper levels of the atmosphere. This is a clockwise flow, meaning a high-pressure ridge. See the thunderstorms, how they're developing along the edge of that ridge, but there's something unique about this type of pattern. Typically, with high pressure underneath it, you don't have any thunderstorms. But this is what we know as a dirty ridge, meaning that storms are underneath this high pressure where it's not completely clear and void of storms. Here's the very latest severe weather risk for tomorrow. Yesterday, they didn't have any type of activity, and now you can see isolated storms will be possible late morning into the afternoon. Now, this is not set in stone. I got to clarify that. There's not many models that show rain like this, the HRRR, but there are starting to catch on. And so here we go, late morning into the afternoon, a complex of storms dropping south, and that would bring a little more rain than you probably want, especially if you're doing some boating or outdoor activities. That will continue into your Saturday afternoon. But by Saturday evening, I think everything's fine for the Stone Temple Pilots concert. That'll be a good one. Can't wait to hear people going to that. Lower 90s, there's that chance of rain. And notice it does bump up a little bit as we head into the late morning and the afternoon. Now, you might be looking at your weather app on your phone, your generic weather app, and it's showing no rain tomorrow. Well, there are some models that don't show any precipitation, but I don't buy it. We got to know, and you know, and I know, it's northwest flow. That's right. We're going to put that on a T-shirt, by the way,
you should
Doug.
Sell that, yeah.
Sunday, Monday, temperatures in the mid-90s, slight chances of rain. Now, just letting you know, those storm chances will be ramping up as we head into the end of the work week. Now, you see the Razorback game on there. It's not in Fayetteville. This one's in Little Rock, but we're just letting you know what you can expect if you have outdoor watch parties, because the game is going to be in the evening. There could be some storms that are popping up Thursday evening and Friday. Storm chances also look pretty promising. So over the weekend, yes, there's storm chances, but it's looking more likely late next week.
STP right here tomorrow night.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Going?
The first concert my wife and I will get to go see here in town, so looking forward to it.
That'd be awesome.
I take that back. We walked up on one at the Rogers Rail